I would rather stay home today. I would rather talk to him next week when I have time. I would rather not talk about that at all. Would rather suggests a preference. For the positive, continue with the base form of the verb. You would rather be at home. For negatives, use the base form of the verb with not. I would rather not see her. She would rather not go. Sometimes our preference isn't about us. It's about someone else. I would rather he talked to me first. You can do this with the negative too. I would rather you didn't interrupt me when I'm speaking. Notice there's now a new subject after would rather, and it's the past tense form. It's not the past, but the past tense form suggests that it's your preference. I would rather he talked to me first. I would rather you didn't interrupt me when I'm speaking. Let's practice. Complete these sentences with would rather and the verb in brackets. Pause here to give yourself the time you need. Okay, let's check. I would rather speak to the manager. We would rather make a decision on this later. He would rather not be disturbed right now. I would rather he checked with me first before posting the photos. She would rather we went on holiday somewhere warm. I would rather you didn't leave early without letting me know first. How about you? Practice by answering my questions. Would you rather have class outside when the weather is warm? Why or why not? And when you go to the movies, do you like to watch the same films with the same people? Or would you rather watch some films with friends and some films with family? Answer my questions in the comments. For me, when the weather's nice, I would rather have class outside, as long as there's not too much noise from traffic. And when I go to the movies, if I go with a friend, I would rather see a comedy or something light. But alone, I would rather see a documentary or something serious.